Well, hello, hopefully you're doing well today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean the board, the reusable board that goes to the board and base. But before I do that, if you find that any of this information in this video helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell. So that way you'll be notified when I make other videos like this and I do some projects also with Chalk Couture. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is bottle of water. If you want to put a little dish soap in there, you can. You're also going to need like a miracle eraser. Now this is the Chalk Couture's erasers. You'll need that because there'll be a little bit of ghosting and shadowing on there from the chalk paste. If you do not have any from Chalk Couture, you can go ahead and buy those store-bought miracle eraser ones. This is one from my kitchen. It is well loved, as you can see. So I will be using Chalk Couture's. And then all you need to do, and you'll also need some type of disinfectant wipe too, just as a final wipe off. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some of the water on here. Now I'm going to let it set for just a moment. I'm going to start working it with my fingers a little bit, try to get some of that the moisture from the water into that chalk paste. Now I've had this on here for about, I would say, a week. You can still feel some of the texture from the transfer with the paste. Now I'm going to use my fingernail here a little bit. Now Chalk Couture does sell a, I believe they call it a scraper to help scrape this off so you don't want to ruin your manicure. You can do that, but I'm just using my finger. Now the surface does have a texture to it, so some of the chalk paste is in those little nooks and crannies, and that's what you will see right there, as you can see right there. That's what's remaining. That's why you'll need your magic eraser. Let's go ahead and get some of that off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use this. And see, I mean, it just works like a charm. You don't have to apply much pressure, very light. Now, if you're going to use this on another surface, test a small area because it could possibly scratch. But on this acrylic surface here that is reusable, I have not experienced that. But it is, I'm doing this very lightly. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to get a piece of paper towel here and wipe it off. A little bit of what you see there, that is from those little paint bits. Now I'm going to get a disinfectant wipe just to go over it. Now hopefully use my paper towel again and just dry it off. Oh, there's a little spot there I missed. Okay. Oops. Let's use the wipe. And there you go. Your surface is all cleaned and it's ready to be used again. You can put another design on there. There's one of the things I really like about this product. So below in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description box I should say, I will post a link to my Chalk Couture site. So that way if you would like to get this board and base, or if you would also like to get their sponges, I will go ahead and post a link to those. As long as the product is available, it's out of stock, and I won't be able to link to it. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate that. And also hit that notification bell. Thank you very much for watching, and you have a beautiful day.